Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to dark theme SoundCloud on Android. So basically, what happens is SoundCloud will be with the light theme like this. So you wanna have a dark theme one. So how you do is, I'll be teaching you a very easy step. So just follow me, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your SoundCloud and you'll be over here. So on your bottom you'll be having options. So just beside search you'll be having option which is library. Just go over there and then you'll be over here like this. And from here what you need to do is on your top you'll be having a settings option. Just go with the setting option, and from here you'll be having a lot of settings option like this. So as you want to change to the dark theme, just go with the interface style which is just below basic settings like this, and here you can choose dark like this and it is changed like this. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.